Hey, it's Christina with Tinagirl Travels. I'm here in Ottawa, in Ontario, and we are going to have a beaver tail. Keith is ordering one for us, and we'll show you what that's all about.
Oh man. Let's do apple pie. What's popular?
Coffee, tea, and sodas are also available, as well as about a dozen choices, from plain to something called the Avalanche and the Triple Trip, which is a chocolate hazelnut spread, peanut butter, and Reese's Pieces. So we changed our order to something called the Meeple, which is coated in maple flavored spread and maple sugar crunch. The Beaver Tails franchise has been around since 1978, serving up this artisanal Canadian pastry. It's a hand-stretched whole wheat pastry that's made to order just for you. Okay, so it's like a deep fried pastry, and this has maple syrup on it, like very Canadian, and some sprinkled sugar and stuff. It's so good.
So good.
It's hot. Okay, that beaver tail was absolutely delicious. Totally, you must stop there for dessert. Even if you share them, they're just awesome. That's what Keith and I did today. We just shared our maple syrup beaver tail, and it was excellent. So if you see one of those little stands, you definitely want to stop there. This Beaver Tails in Ottawa was located in the Byward Market area on the corner of George Street and William Street. There's great shopping here. Keith bought a fun pair of John Fluvog shoes. That store was right beside the Beaver Tails. There are blocks and blocks of great shopping, restaurants, and cafes here, and you could easily spend a few hours having some fun in this area. We had an amazing time in Ottawa. Next, we're headed to Quebec City. Thanks for watching Tinagirl Travels. I have lots of great videos coming up, so please subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on any of them.